There it is, guys. This is Beach Bend Raceway Park. We are in Bowling Green, Kentucky for Streetcar Takeover Bowling Green. It's been a trip already. We've just got here. It's Friday night. We're just getting unloaded. But I'm telling you, it's a miracle that we made it. And you guys aren't going to believe how we made it here. Mr. Bill tried to let us down. Mr. Bill, the old trusty Dusty, has tried to let us down on the drive up. Come take a look at this. You're never going to believe me unless I show you. Come take a look. Man, Mr. Bill, he got us here, but it wasn't without some effort. Let me just show you. Like, when I tell you guys that we made it here due to a rubber glove, I'm not exaggerating. Check this out. No matter what happens the rest of the trip, it's gonna be all right because we had to rely on this rubber glove and some zip ties to make it here. So that right there is like the stock filtration unit for the fuel system in this thing. It has a CP3 pump, which is a mechanical high pressure pump up here on the front of the motor. And well, the filter head where you actually put the fuel filter on apparently was leaking and it was drawing in air. So we're like halfway through the big hills of Alabama and the truck just will not go. It flat out just shut off twice on us. It just ran itself out of diesel because it sucked the filter itself out of fuel. So we couldn't figure it out. We thought maybe it was a bad diesel problem. We thought it was a filter problem. And after, you know, some phone calls to some good people and some good help, someone suggested maybe it's just the filter head's leaking. So I did what I could and put a rubber glove over the diaphragm on top and zip tied her up, and we made it here. So no matter what happens now, we've already got the trials and tribulations out of the way. The hard stuff's done. We're here. We're gonna get Aden's Z01 unloaded and get ready for some testing tune tonight. Stick with us. So boom, change of pace. This is obviously not Streetcar Takeover. It's actually the hotel we're staying at because my good buddy and savior Daniel has come through in clutch with what we need to fix Mr. Bill. Time for a lift pump install. So Friday night at Streetcar Takeover is gonna be a lift pump install. And I got Greg there. Greg's gonna help us out doing a little bit of filming at the track. I don't know where this video is gonna go, but we're gonna try to make the best of it. So now, instead of having the lift pump or the high pressure pump, which is on the front of the motor over here, having to draw diesel all the way from the back, the lift pump just supplies it, and we don't get stuck on the side of the road anymore. That's the way that goes. Oh, here you go. I heard some. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's freaking hot up here. I'm soaking wet, but I don't know if it's because I'm hot or it's just I'm so freaking excited. I can't even talk right now. First pass on the car with a new converter. We just got done doing a Circle D 34, 36 in it. First quarter mile pass, new track. I've personally, I've never raced at another track other than Emerald Coast, our hometown track. But hey, I'm pretty excited about it. We went in, same tire pressure we always run. It cut a 1.6 60 foot. So it shook them pretty bad. We had a lot of tire shake right off the hit. So I let out about 10 or 15 feet out, and then I hit it again, and it pulled the front tires off the ground at like, 20 foot out. That was pretty crazy. So we're gonna add some tire pressure to the tires. We're gonna see how that reacts. Do a little bit bigger burnout. Just a completely different car with this converter. New track, quarter mile stuff. We got a lot going for us right now. But hey, we're at Streetcar Takeover. It doesn't matter. It was our first round, first pass, first quarter mile, first run in the converter. We're just excited to be here. Like I said, we're in Kentucky. We're at Streetcar Takeover. We're here just having a good time. So making passes down the track, I'm stoked already. That's what we're here for. It's Friday night. We are here to test the car. We're here to learn the track. We're here to learn how they're going to do things here and get ready for tomorrow. We're getting ready for race day. So super, super pumped. First quarter mile pass, I'm just super happy. Pulling the tire, rolling wheelie is just freaking crazy to me. I never would imagine the car did that. But hey, it can happen. So hey, we're gonna make some changes. We're gonna get back to it and see what it does. Hey, I made it back. We made it. An hour and like 3 minutes, an hour and 6 minutes, something like that, to put the whole lift pump on. I'm not any kind of diesel. Are we gonna be able to make it home now?
We will make it home.
I'm still worried about that right now. Yeah. We still got a day and a half of racing left.
Shoot. You know what? Let's do more of that. Let's go. So here we go. Test pass number 2 for Austin of the night. The first one we weren't here for. We were putting the lift pump on, but it is time to get back at it. Let's go.
You going single?
.38 at 148. Wow, nice.
That's right.
At 133. Dialed, son. Dialed, man. Nice. Dude, both of y'all freaking killing it, son. Oh, God. What, 938 at 148? 1007 at 133? Shoo.
So close.
Shoo.
It did hook.
Hey, as long as it doesn't go a 9, as long as it doesn't go a 9 in like eliminations tomorrow.
I got an HP tuner cable that says it's going 9.
Hey, but tonight, not in elims tomorrow.
Yeah, no, it's good. 10 O's right there.
Or you better drag the brake.
I'll drag the brake.
Run like a 980 and get on the brakes.
I want to see this car do a 980. That was my goal.
980 is cooking,
At
son.
135, at a 9.8 in the morning.
What was the 60 foot there? Like a 144?
140.
140? Shoot, that's a personal best right there.
Yep.
That gum.
So,
What'd you 60 foot?
137.
Shoo!
Maybe hold that.
That gum.
It's right there. Maybe hold that 60.
That is fried rice AF, dude.
It's right there.
Getting rice down, pass number 3.
sir.
Is this the 150 pass? I told you that last one, 150. You see me?
Hey, we just put that week's 150 in it.
The week's 150.
We gonna see.
So we're getting loaded up. Aiden's gonna try to go for the 150 mile an hour pass. That's gonna be crazy mile an hour out of a stock blower ZL1 like Aden has. That is gonna be a huge feat. So he's getting loaded up for another pass. Austin, you making another one?
Oh yeah.
Hey, no, pass number 3.
Yeah. I think
Chasing your 9, huh?
We're gonna put some more timing in it. So yeah, we are way above the past the line of turning back now. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and do it. I tagged him on Facebook. I said, John, I brought a trailer for a reason. Put it in. Let's get it done.
That hurts. That hurts me in the gut. But hey, high five for a 9. Let's go.
Get it.
Let's go a 9.
Let's do it.
Oh no, Aden 148, 942 at 148. Austin 1017 at 129. Oh no, Aden 148, 942 at 148. Austin 1017 at 129.
I don't know what it did. It cut up 60. Sorry, you're videoing.
I can bleep it. What did a 60 foot?
136.
I'll
Yeah.
check. I ain't checked the video yet.
60 foot was there. It felt like the 1.2 just it did something weird. I don't know what it did. I don't know if it closed the throttle body on me. I'm not sure what it did, but it just fell on its face for a second. On that 1.2 just felt really strange.
It might have bumped the limiter. That's the first time it's ever hooked hard.
You know, it's not a 9, but it's not a pile of smoke either.
That's true.
So
It felt way better up top too. That
even being down mile an hour.
The fourth gear pull on it. The fourth gear felt really good.
Shoot.
But that 1.2 did something very weird.
All right, it has been an absolute day. I had plans on making this kind of just one whole weekend video, but today it's enough. It deserves its own video. So I'm going to call it a night here on night number 1, day number 1 at Streetcar Takeover Bowling Green, where both cars set new PBs. Both cars are like tantalizingly close to their goals for the weekend. Stay tuned. Come back with us tomorrow and see if Austin can click off the 9-second pass, and if Aden can click off a 150 mile an hour pass. If we can, that's going to be huge wins for them on an already eventful and exciting weekend. But as always, I'm Diggins E71. My name is Dylan. Keep digging. We'll see you next time.